sometimes when you notice, I've practiced so much, it's like second nature to me. So excuse me again if I move too fast. Daily, leg out, smaller time frame, wick over wick, smaller time frame, drop, base, drop. Can't beat it with a stick. I was telling y'all about these previous days lows. Now y'all know. That's just if all else fails and you were gonna die of starvation and you were gonna die just of starvation. You know you can take a previous day's low and make you $20. It's just a previous weekly low right here. I'm just gonna go along before I die of starvation. These previous wicks, they'll do it. Previous day's low, they'll just keep trying because what I figured out in relative strength, if something's strong in a daily, that previous daily low, it counts as daily strength. So if that Aussie is stronger than if the Aussie is stronger than the yen like this in the daily, it's gonna come to the previous day's low and do it. Some zone in here is gonna come and pop right back up. Trust me when I tell you. It won't even sometimes won't even get here. That's what made me start noticing that. Just like not getting into trades at all. Like, so you're not even gonna come to my zone. Why are you? Oh, the previous day's wick. Yeah. Yes, I figured that out. It's like being at being behind a plate and didn't swing in your brain. Now that you struck out, or you're in the dugout, or you might have even hit the ball, but didn't hit it how you wanted to hit it. And in your mind, you're going over what you would have done different because you knew it was a strike. You didn't swing all the way down to that smaller time frame to catch it. That's why I be showing y'all that. I will go from a weekly all the way to 5 minutes. Nobody told you not to do this. Y'all know how to do this. Stop playing. This is a 4-hour chart. Y'all act like y'all don't know how to do this. Y'all crazy. That is trading, people. If you didn't know what trading was, this is trading. Gazillions of dollars. Daily and weekly pivot lows and highs, people. What the strength or the weakness? The strength or the weakness. I can tell. 2 day. Oh, we did see this the other day. Oh, we drew this 2-day rally base. I remember it now. Y'all thought I forgot. Told y'all I set an alert. I did. I remember now. I can find this in my sleep at whole numbers. You feel me? With higher highs. It's making new higher highs. See, I know what this means. That means we going to the upper room. See, I know what this means here. Till you find out what it means, player, be patient, people. Be patient. Sometimes it's as easy than you think it is. You remember how long this Aussie was strong in the daily? Could have came and hollered at us. You see how price will come to the zone in a higher time frame and not your zone in a smaller time frame. So you'll go to a smaller time frame and put yourself out of the trade. Clean up these charts, folks. You got to clean up the charts. I like fresh, brand new. New, all the moving averages was underneath. Former supply turned demand, broke the previous high. Whole number. That is total Pip Getterz strategy right here. Can't get more Pip Getterz strategy than that. For me, folks, this is part of our process. I do go look and see what lines I've joined. It's part of my learning process. When I didn't have any money to trade, I told y'all yesterday, I don't have any money in my account, so I don't practice. I used to draw lines when I didn't have money or trade in sim. The last place sellers had control before buyers took over. And the last place buyers had control before sellers take over. You might want to write that down. Let's see where we at in the whole scheme of things. So we got some weekly supply we about to hit. We in the area of some weekly supply. So we see you getting uppity, euro yen. You always want to take the trade that looks better in your eyes. That looks a lot simpler. So you don't want to force any trade. You want to take the trade that looks the most simple to your eyes. If you have to struggle with it and form it and play-doh it and all of that, you don't want to take the trade. You got a Mighty Morphin Power Ranger, the zone and all of that. Nah. Go on to the next. I remember my first day at Pip Getterz. 2 higher highs in the daily. Be nice if you came back down in here, sir. Maybe tomorrow it might come back down in here and do one of these. Blue. 2 higher highs. Remember, y'all seen this last week, all right? Some more moving average support. Price came, drop, drop, drop. See how price pops up and then comes back and then bang. That's what I be trying to get y'all. That's what we just saw in the euro pound. And again, you always can come down here and shrink your zones up, make them a little better. Start to see a little clearer now. It's just doing that little extra research that I just go in the chart and just did. Same thing I'm doing right here is the same thing I did on my own, or I wouldn't know how to do it. Then the zone shows itself, just like anybody or anything else. After a while, you look hard enough, a person shows their true colors. Again, y'all know how price will come somewhere and forget all about us and go somewhere else. I'm out. How do you know which one is most probable? We'll find out, won't we, Vidal? The rule is you always take the zone closest to current price. That's what that means. How do you know which one? Isn't that adorable? How do you know which one? You take the one closest to current price at all times. This Aussie yen is like, I'm not coming back to nothing I'm not listening to nothing you got to say. A shot at love. This is a beautiful zone though. Price comes back down here, folks, and catches that moving average. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's beautiful too. Boy, see all that push, 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 and then forget you. Wow. Ooh. Not bad, huh, people? Y'all see this with the weekly moving average underneath and the daily. So for you people to sit here and act like y'all not swing traders right now, don't forget that you got this moving average, this daily moving average, getting ready to give you a fresh smack on the former supply. Beautiful zone. Man, price just, y'all see how many weeks they do this 17 o'clock crap to us? Just hating. Always. 17 o'clock, they do this. They just know it's some real pip getters in here. Haters. 2 lower lows, price came back up, retest right into the bottom of the curve and bang. And if you couldn't have had no problem, this was a daily wick over wick. This is a weekly drop based drop, people. So pay attention to Tesla in the weekly. I mean Netflix. And the weather's getting warm too, okay? So pay attention to where in the wintertime it goes up, and in the summertime, last July, you see? See what happened in July? And it's not like it's hard to do it. July. I mean, are people inside in July? It's not like some super hard math. Duh, people aren't inside, they're outside. Duh. So be prepared this July. GameStop still busting and missed our demand zone. Pump. We had a nice demand zone here, and it created this base rally here. Again, if it misses our zone, you can find another one. This wasn't created at the time, but now that it was created, 4 hour base rally in GameStop. Still going up. Just missed our zone and came to this zone. Nothing wrong with that. You get in it again. Or just wait. Price might come right back in, flop again. You never knew. Nice. Disney is still riding with us. Disney might go up to $800 from our zone. We picked this 2 years ago. From Pip Getterz. Because we caught it with that 4 hour moving average underneath. We're going to look at some more stocks. We was waiting for the Apple to hit our demand zone for a million years. It's not doing it. It didn't do it. It barely missed us. No, actually, we drew this before that. Okay, so it just never came back. The chart. Dogecoin is just dodged us. Dogecoin is doging us. Another Bitcoin long was dope too. We had another Bitcoin long. On fire. Rally-based rally. No wick at the Bizac. If y'all want to look, all my futures traders, if y'all want to look at futures, we can do that too. Just tell me what y'all want to look at. I'm going to get all this straightened up too, because I want to start trading futures too. Extra heavy minis, and I see too much opportunity out here for me not to be. So we about to get reloaded like the Matrix. You feel me? Too much opportunity, like just this and Roku's and all of that. Too much opportunity out here to miss. That's why you learn how to trade. You don't rush. There's so much opportunity out here. You don't rush. For what? It's money everywhere. It's drop-based rallies and rally-based drops all over everywhere. It don't make sense to act a fool. Okay? So I'll see y'all Tuesday morning. Take it light. And always, as always, love somebody other than yourself.